Alright, seconds, here's your practice video for Sleeping Beauty Waltz. This is the arrangement by Chris Sharp. And the beginning is easy, just you're doing your chick chicks of the boom chick chick waltz rhythm. So we're going to start actually about 3 before 46, way down the bottom of the first page. Now you've got a lot of eighth notes in this section, a lot of lower eighth notes too, and then on top of the 2 flats in the key signature you have so many accidentals to worry about. So I want you guys to really take this slow and make sure you're playing all the fingering correctly before you start speeding it up. Listen carefully if you're playing an E versus E flat, B versus B flat, all of that stuff. So before 46, 1, 2, 3 measures. Same deal if this is too fast right now, take it at your own time. Take the slurs out, play separate bows until you can get it up to a moderate speed. So this is under tempo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and. So there's the first big chunk, and I have to apologize right away. I made a mistake. 46 should have a low 1 E flat in it, and I didn't do it. 54 is the same thing, so I caught myself there. But 46 should go. So make sure you pull your 1 back for an E flat there. Okay, so again, you had lots of high 3s, you've got low 1s, B flats versus B naturals. Be careful to lift your bow going into 58. Same deal in the middle of the measure of measure 52. Okay, so that's the first challenge, that first chunk. Now we get into our next section. This is 62 up to 78. And you guys are playing on B2 always. So it'll be 1, da-da-da-da, rest, ba-da-ba-dum. All right, so again, we're going to take this nice and slow. Make sure your accidentals are correct. Always starting this up bow. So you're always going to go rest, up, down, ready, and 1. 1. 70. 1, 2, high 3. Alright, so that's the end of the second section. Notice that you had an E natural first and then an E flat the second time. Same deal, it kind of repeats itself. So once you get the first line or so down, the second part will be okay. Alright, so the third and final section of challenge stuff in here is measure 78 up to 102. This isn't even that bad. So you do have some hook bows, so down, up, down, up, and just keep watching your E flat. So here's 78. 1, 2, 3. You just alternate on those 2 quarter notes for the last line. So 102 can throw you off, right? It seems easy because you're just going quarter rest, quarter note, but the way the rest of the orchestra is playing, it'll just throw the feeling off of the beat. So just breathe, just give me a good sniff on each of those rests and you'll be okay. Also, those last kind of scales in measure 105, 6, 7, 8, be careful that you're doing a B flat, but then a C sharp, harmonic minor there, so step and a half, stretch out that C sharp. All right, so what I'm going to do now is run it through at tempo. So this is your goal. This is how fast you're going to try to get it up to. Starting back there, that same spot, 3 before 46, all the way to the end. So here's 3 before 46. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Two, three. There you go. I know I messed up at 86. I played the wrong note there. But good luck. Work really hard on those eighth notes. And of course, see me if you have any questions.